Now everything is removed on the ground like this, on the head, and now the bodies. The crossbeams connection part and the wheel side connections and the panels, keypad, computers, cables, digital cables. This is a computer panel, keypad, and this is the cables, digital cables, connection from the computer to the inside the cable. Okay, lift it up. In order to raise up this one up to the bodies, so we need to remove this plate, top covers. Here is the sensors, home point, the first on the wheel side, plus this 4 screws, 3 screws. This is a sliding brick. We take off the screws and lift them up from the sliding bricks under the plate.
这个插不行。
非常好。This is the bottom plate attaching to the here below to fasten the belts. Okay, now this belt is removed off. So when we join the belt into this, the bottom clamp, and this is the upper plate for whole bridge. Okay, we are assembling the bottom plate and the upper one back in order to avoid any missing. This is the front side, front side left hand timing belts, marking areas. Okay, it's very important when you reassembling these timing belts back to, because this timing belt we have to release this clamp and release the timing belt. So when you assembling back, first you need to read the marking pen and fasten the screws. But meanwhile, you need to pay attention to the timing wheels as well, so that this side and the other side, this side will be the synchronizing, no mistake. The same teeth and the right hand and the left hand will be the belt moving at the same speed. This is the right hand timing belts front side. We must follow the time marking areas without any differences. It must be very strictly follow up the marking pens and the marking papers. Okay. This is the real side. The right hand, the real side, the timing belt adjusting screws. We are releasing the screw nuts. This is the timing wheels on the real side. Timing wheels, the brackets for the tighten up and the losing. So we are now removing these screws, and now we have to release also the interior 4 screw bolts for the whole brackets can be released. This timing belt is a standby for these belts. When this belt's damaging, we cut off this and moving this one, and so we need to adjusting the screw inside, and then raise up the brackets and changing this new belts into this position. This film, the air cylinders, the pipe is connection to this position. Okay, connection to these two pipes. Okay, for these control panels, these two pipes. There is 2 big, 4 small pieces air brackets. We're taking off from here, taking all the screw here. We need to put the back, and here, and then there, and another 2 here. So all of this are put together. Okay. And the right side is facing up on the brackets, so that's why we don't need to take off. We don't need to take off this. The right side is facing up. It's on the up of the back of the containers. The other side, the left side, we have to take off because we're facing down to the brackets. The right side board decoration covers. The left side decoration boards. Its bottom is a orange color. 21 to blue 21, 22, 22 to 20, 20 to 20, and 22 is here. 22 is here to this 22. Okay, 22 is a white one below. Here, the cross pins, top and bottom, all the cables are unit. So we have to follow up and then lower with the correct numbers, and then we can wire them together. 电线啊，
对，
这里是
主
all
电
the
源。
cables, 3 hoses for the compressed air, and sensor connectors. All of this from this power system and air system. This cable you have to cut off the binding tapes and connection to the standing pipe for the power and compressed air. Here, get into 这样插进去了吧？
啊。
Get into and it's face up.